If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass Limited in Jazz Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7236.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.